Alright, today we're going to draw Hello Kitty, so make sure your paper is the tall way, up and down like this, and we're going to get started. We're going to start by drawing a circle. This is going to be the middle of her bow. Then we're going to draw this shape on one side of the bow, and then we're going to draw the same shape on the other side. Awesome, then we need to add the detail on the inside. So we have this U shape on one side, U shape on the other side. Then we have that same shape for her ear that peeks behind her bow. Then we're going to draw the side of her head. It curves, and then we're going to stop. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. It curves, and then we're going to connect it all the way around. All the way around. All right, awesome. Then we're going to draw her other ear. Now her ears are triangles, but they're not very pointy. They're kind of round on the outside. Then we're going to add this last line for the top of her head. Then we're going to move on to her face. So her eyes are ovals. Her eyes are ovals. So we're going to draw an oval on each side. And then we're going to color in those ovals. We're going to color in those ovals. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to draw her nose. It's also an oval. And Hello Kitty doesn't have a mouth, so that's about it for the face. Then we need to add her whiskers because she's a cat and cats have whiskers. So we're going to add 3 on one side and then 3 on the other side. Okay, good. There's her head. There's her face. Then we're going to move on to her body. So we're going to draw this U shape for her shirt. U shape for her shirt collar. Now, Hello Kitty wears overalls. So we're going to draw some overalls. 2 straight lines that stop around the same point. And then we're going to draw the bottom of her overalls. And we're going to leave a little bit of room for her feet at the bottom. So here's 1 foot. Here's 2 feet. Good, awesome. She has 2 little buttons on her overalls. So we're going to draw 1 circle, 2 circles. So she has 2 buttons. Now all that's left are her arms. So straight line out. Curved line for her thumb and another curved line for her hand. Do the same thing on this side. Straight line, curved line for her thumb, curved line for her hand. Then she just needs some sleeves. So 1 line, 2 lines. Then you can go ahead and color her. I gave her a red bow, blue overalls, and a yellow shirt and a yellow nose. Have fun coloring your drawing. Bye!